nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook this soul-soothing clear mushroom soup. You will love this easy and simple soup, so let's start. We only need First, put some olive oil to your preheated saucepan. Then, saute the garlic. Followed by our minced ginger. Then add the mushrooms. Put salt and pepper and saute everything. Next, let's add our chicken cube. We can now add 4 to 6 cups of water. Lastly, add fresh spring onions. Mix everything together. Then cover it and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's now ready to be served. Let's transfer it to our soup bowl. We can now enjoy this super delicious soup. Or, if you want, you can also add cooked shirataki noodles. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video.